Okay, so to begin with, we have to log in. And once we've logged in, we then have to go to templates. We then write a template name, for example, payment. Oops, can't be capitals. Okay, just put some text in here for the moment. Approved. And yes. Okay, so this is payment update, and we have to select language. Let's select English and standard. Just do a standard text only one. There is possibility to add in more media, but that would only complicate things. Okay, so first of all, within this template, we can see we've got John here. Now, John is obviously no good because we might want to send to Steve or Jane. So what we have to do is we have to include a placeholder. And a placeholder works like this. It's 1, 2 curly brackets, and then numbers beginning from 1. So for example, if we want to include another one, for example, the price, because the price isn't going to be the same for all of them, we would add in another placeholder, but this one would be 2 and not 1. Okay, so we will then preview and submit. Okay, this is what it's going to look like. That looks fine to me, but we want to put in some examples here, some example values. This will not be sent. This is only to help Facebook approve your template. So let's put in John here, and let's put in $12. Could have put anything in there. Then we press the submit button, and it's been created, but if it's not green, then it's not been approved. This can take anywhere between a couple of minutes and a few hours, depending on your message. Let's refresh the page. And yep, it's been approved. Really, really quick. No, sorry. This one, it's been approved. Okay,